A formal good evening. कहाँ एनर्जी है यार तुम्हारी? फेलिसिटेशन पहला है क्या जो अटेंड कर रहे हो? It's for cheering, whistling and clapping whenever there is a pause. Good evening. Whenever there is a pause. So let me extend a very warm welcome to all sitting here, parents, teachers, students. Thanks for sparing your time and thanks for being on time, more importantly. You keep seeing me throughout the evening, so for now, I would want to begin by inviting the handsome boy, ever smiling, with beautiful curly hair. Can you guess who? If you have again attended felicitation functions before, we go in order from 2000 to 1, as if we have secured all India rank 1. So can we have Atharva upstage please? Atharv, big round of applause, thanks. This multifaceted boy is a chess and tennis enthusiast. He has completed 5 exams of tabla, and if I remember, had also played in BT's felicitation 2 years back. Okay, last year, Atharva is, by the way, from the fighters batch. Last year, along with his 12th standard, Atharva was probably getting some NITs. But he prepared again to crack JEE Advanced this year with an All India rank of 1921. He also scored 360 marks in BITSET this year and 183 marks in CET. A big round of applause for Atharva and let's listen something from him.
Hello everyone. I still remember last year, after all the results came out, I was going to take BITS at either Goa or Hyderabad campuses. But then I attended the counseling session which BT has for its passing out students. And there I felt that I can do much better and that I deserve much better. Hence, on that day, I took a bold decision to drop a year, and I believe that it is the best decision which I have ever made in my life. So, yeah. Special thanks to CM sir, who convinced my parents to take a drop. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Firstly, I'd like to thank my parents. They have been really wonderful to me throughout this year. They supported my decision and believed in my abilities, and I believe that it has really paid off. They were really cool to me throughout the year. They did never pressure me to study, and they just believed in what I was doing, and it really helped me a lot. On the day of advance, after the first paper, I lost my driving license. And my father just said to me that don't worry about the license, just focus on your paper, we'll make a new one, it doesn't really matter. So that really helped me. I was quite tensed because. So yeah, thanks mom and dad, you have been really grateful. All of my family has really supported me a lot. My mom, dad, grandfather, grandmother, and everyone has been really great. Thank you all. So yeah. At BT, the teachers have been the most amazing. They have really supported me. Whenever I used to call them at doubts, at any time, they used to answer it. And some of the teachers used to wait for hours after the lectures just so that I and my other friends could clear the doubts. This just shows how dedicated these people are and passionate about their subjects and teaching in general. All of them are most of the down-to-earth people I've ever met, and they are really great. Thank you all the teachers. So yeah, this last year has been a really awesome journey. It has taught me quite a lot of things. It has given me a new sense of confidence, and has changed me and made me a better person than what I was as compared to last year. So thanks a lot everyone who has been a part of this journey. Lastly, I would like to say that BT is not just a class or a coaching institute, but it's a family, and I'm really proud to be a part of it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Akhil. Keep rocking, do well. So, which is the lucky IIT, lucky branch?
IIT Madras Chemical Food.
Okay, IIT Madras Chemical. All the best to you.
Atharva is getting a scientific calculator, a study lamp, a personalized memento, and a cash prize of rupees 5,000. A round of applause for him.